beat one of the most hardest PC games known to man.
Well, I'm using one hand because he's masturbating with the other.
Oh yeah, Mark, that's the shit, boy.
93.
Boy. See, it's like more.
99.9.
He's listening to this song, really?
Damn, I'm still at 94.5 meters. See, I can even do this game without
He's been
looking.
pulling that bar underneath of him for over 40 meters now.
It's very annoying. It's been slowing me down. I could have already been done this by now. Oh my god, it says jump. Oh my god.
Oh my god! Oh,
You're fucked.
maybe if you pull that thing and you don't land on that thing, I'm a jig.
You're fucked. You're fucked. You're fucked. Shit. Oh!
Just don't let your foot touch that blue crap.